Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of science. Our today's topic is animal nervous system. Animal has a complex nervous system. It receives and interrupts the signals from the surroundings and sends the message to the brain. The structure of the nervous system depends upon the body plans of an organism. For example, animals that do not have a defined head or tail, they have web-like arrangements of nervous cells throughout the body. Animals with a defined head have the nervous systems divided into three parts, that is, the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system. It comprises of the brain and neurons. It is located in the head and continues along the back. Peripheral nervous system. It includes all the nerves constituting the central nervous system of the entire body. And the last one is autonomous nervous system. It consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. In all the vertebrates, the central nervous system comprises the brain and the spinal cord. The brain contains centers that process the signal received, regulates the homeostatic and control emotions and intelligence. The spinal cord helps in the transfer of information to and forms the brain. Functions of nervous system. The nervous system consists of different parts performing different functions listed below, and the functions of various parts like human brains. The brain constituents of the following parts performing the following functions. First one is cerebral cortex. Voluntary movement, reasoning, language, perception, and thoughts are a few functions. Next one is cerebellum. It is involved in maintaining balance, movement of body posture. The cerebellum is split into hemisphere, wherein the cortex envelopes the hemispheres. Next one is hypothalamus. This region is responsible for the regulation of the temperature of the body, hunger center, emotions, regulations of the circulatory system, and cardiac rhythms, etc. It serves as the thermostat which sends the body temperature and projects signals to manage the temperature. Next one is medulla oblongata or brain stem. It controls heart rate, breathing and blood pressure and consists of the pons, medulla, tectum, teguments and reticular formations. Next one is thalamus. It integrates the motor and secondary information and obtains the sensory information, which in turn carries forward the information to the cerebral cortex. The information it receives from the cerebral cortex is transmitted by it to the other areas of the spinal cord and the brain. Next one is limbic system. It assists in regulating the response to emotions and includes the hippocampus, cingulates, syringe, and mammillary bloods or bodies. The hippocampus is vital for memory and learning. Next one is basal ganglion. It regulates the movement and balance and includes caudate, nucleus, globus pallidus, putamen, substantia nigra, and subthalamic nucleus. And the last one is midbrain. It controls hearing, vision, body movement, eye movement. It consists of the red nucleus, inferior and superior colliculi. Cerebrospinal nervous system. It consists of 12 pairs of cranial nerves which are connected to the brain having particular functions. The following functions are the nerve and their respective functions: optic, sight; oculomotor, eyeball, pupils and lens movement; olfactory, smell; trochlear, motion of the eye muscles; trigeminal, supplies with nerves for eyes, jaws, cheeks and governs chewing; abducens, outward gaze, movement of the lateral rectus muscles in humans; facial, movement of the facial muscles, regulates salivary glands, taste sensation from the anterior to the tongue; glossopharyngeal, sensation of taste; acoustic, maintains balance hearing; vagus, supplies with nerves for the organ in the abdomen and the chest; spinal accessories, shoulder and head movement; hypoglossal, regulate muscles of the tongue. Autonomic nervous system. This type is secreted into parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system which has constraining effects on the same organ sets. The parasympathetic nervous system is linked with a relaxed condition such as the contraction of the pupils, slowing of the heart rating, energy of food digestion, etc. The sympathetic nervous system is necessary during a crisis and is linked with fight or flight reactions, increased rate of breathing, pupil dilation, increase in the heart rate, increased rate of salivation and perception, etc. are basic functions performed by the autonomic nervous systems. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.